2011 to 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee headlight. There is a lot of different ways you can do this, but if you're going to actually replace the headlights, the front bumper cover has to be removed, and you're going to have two nuts, or two bolts rather, 10mm bolts, one here that you have to remove the front bumper cover to get to, and then you're going to have one there. To service the headlights bulbs, you can get to it on the front. You have to remove the air box, and you can get to the bulbs there and the high beam there. It's going to be tight, but it can do it. Another access point is under the wheel here. You'll see there, you can twist this off. Let's see if I can get that. It's got an access point here where you can twist it off and get to it as well there. And to put it back, you just slide it in and twist. On the passenger side, it's going to be the same way, where you've got that access point there where you can cut the wheel, you get access and get your hand in there if you've got small hands or small hands and arms. Well, that's pretty much it on the gist on how to do the headlight removal or the bulb replacement on the 2011 to 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. All right, that was quick. I'm back. I forgot to mention you will have to also remove the grill. And when you remove the grill, you're going to take out two 10mm bolts. There are access right here and right here. So on the grill, it's going to be that hole and this guy right there to take it out, and then you'll be able to get the headlight out. And again, you'll have one 10mm bolt, another 10mm bolt, and another 10mm bolt. So it's three 10mm bolts to get this headlight unit out, to get it out.